Unlock the secret to snagging those hype drops with Sole AIO for Shopify. First things first, let's get Sole AIO installed. Once it's downloaded and running, you'll see the main dashboard. Our priority is creating a task. Click on the Add Task button. Here, you'll select the Shopify store you want to target, often found on sneaker release news sites. Then, you'll enter the specific product you're after, usually by its URL or a keyword. Choose the appropriate mode, typically add to cart for most releases. Next up, profiles. You need to enter your billing and shipping information accurately. This includes your name, address, email, and crucially, your payment details. The more complete and correct your profile, the smoother the checkout process will be. Now, for the game changer proxies. To avoid being blocked and to increase your chances, you'll need to add your proxy servers. You can usually import these directly from your proxy provider. Ensure they are formatted correctly. With your profile and proxies in place, your task is nearly ready. You can create multiple tasks for different items or different payment methods on the same site. When the release time hits, simply click Start Tasks and watch Sole AIO go to work, attempting to secure your item. The goal is for Sole AIO to automatically add the item to your cart and complete the checkout process before anyone else. Practice with different sites and products to fine-tune your setup.